In the Forex market, correlation indicates the relationship between two different currency pairs that are likely to move in the same direction or opposite direction. A positive correlation occurs when two currency pairs move in the same direction. Conversely, a negative correlation occurs when two currency pairs move in the opposite direction. Currency pairs with close economic ties tend to have a highest correlation. For example, Euro USD and GBP USD are often positively correlated due to their close relationship, including their geographical proximity and the fact that both currencies are widely held as a reserve currencies. USD CHF often moves in the opposite direction to Euro USD due to the negative correlation between Euro USD and the USD CHF. Gold prices tend to be positive correlated with the price of Australian dollar, especially the AUD USD pair, because Australia is a net exporter of gold. When gold prices appreciate, AUD USD also appreciates, and when gold prices drop, AUD USD pair also drops. The yen also plays an important role as it's the world's third most traded currency, and its value often moves along with gold. A major reason for this is the yen's status as one of the world's reserve currencies alongside the dollar, euro and pound sterling. Let's look at the example how to trade the currency correlation. Assuming we trade Canadian yen and we have a short signal. When taking a short trade on Canadian yen, it means that Canadian pair is weaker and yen is getting stronger. So before taking the short trade on Canadian yen, it is required to check on other Canadian pairs and make sure it's weaker as well, or check on the yen pairs and it must be stronger.